Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Catie McNeil. You've now clicked on the Weather Now link, and we're tracking some light snow accumulations possible overnight tonight. For the time being, though, still staying dry. The precipitation isn't expected to begin until a little later tonight, mainly after 10, 11 o'clock here. But you can see the system starting to work its way farther east. This is a classic, what we call Alberta Clipper system. It'll be a pretty fast-moving one as well. So already by around 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we'll be looking much drier. And let's take a look at kind of our accumulation map here. So for the most part, most of our area here is looking at just a dusting or light dusting of snow, but areas north and west of Providence could get up to an inch. So with that, we're going to be in a weather alert tonight due to the fact that some roadway conditions could be fairly slick, especially during the early morning hours tomorrow morning, around 5, 6, 7 o'clock as this storm is starting to taper off. And let's take a look here. So again, we're expecting mainly light snow from this event. Areas farther south will most likely not get any snow at all towards the coastal areas. Kind of you can see this pink line. That's our mixed precipitation line, or rain snow line here. So areas to the south of that we'll just be seeing rain. Areas to the north seeing snow, or mainly snow there. But with that, again, that northwest part of Rhode Island will have the highest likelihood to get above a dusting, towards closer to an inch of snow here. But again, there's a fast moving system, so already by around 6 o'clock will be much drier, still very cloudy. And with that, as the system moves out, we'll be seeing this wind shift, southwesterly winds bringing in much warmer air than what we've been seeing the past few days to the area, but it'll also be very gusty as well, with highs approaching the upper 40s. So a stark contrast from the very cold conditions we've seen throughout the start of the weekend, earlier this week as well. As we look ahead here, we'll be dry through the day on Sunday. As we head towards your Monday morning here, we'll be continuing to stay dry, clearing in the clouds as well. But then our next system moves through, another fairly progressive system moving through during the afternoon and evening hours Monday. But then we'll be looking drier again as we head towards your Monday night into Tuesday. So with that, in the meantime, though, tonight we're looking at some light snow showers again overnight tonight, with some minor accumulations possible as well in those areas I mentioned, north and west of Providence. Otherwise, it'll be cold and cloudy with those overnight lows in the upper 20s. So with that, your Sunday morning, we could see a lingering shower to early. That'll lead way to a decrease in clouds by midday, and turns out to be a pretty nice second half of the day. Will be much milder as well, with those highs approaching the upper 40s. Will be a bit breezy, though, with gusts up to 20 miles an hour at times, especially during the late morning and early afternoon. So start of the day, again, could be a little bit slippery out there if you're out on the road, so just give yourself a little extra time if you're planning on heading out before 9 o'clock. Other than that, the rest of the day looks pretty pleasant. We are tracking several chances for showers, though, as we head on into the work week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday as well. So we'll be keeping you guys updated on that. In the meantime, again, be careful on the roads, as we could be seeing some slippery conditions at times overnight tonight.